Number 23. No good. Rebound by number 27. Pass number 9. Good for 2 points, number 9. Out of bounds, bola sa Tagaytay. Number 27, dribbling the ball. Ang tagabasan, pass to Algin. Ibaba sa number 27, Gilahok. Ibaba sa number 9. Bola sa Bayabas. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Out of bounds, bola sa shot clock 15. Steal by good for 2 points, number 2. Oh, number 3 then. Shot clock 15. Good for 2 points, Alger. 4-0. 4-6. 0-6. Bola sa Tagaytay. 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Number 27. Number 15. For 3. No good. Rebound number 22. Two points, number 8. Score 2-6. Two points, number 17. Number 28. Shot clock 15. 10, 9. Out of bounds, bola sa Tagaytay. Alright, 7 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 10. Steal by number 14. Pass to number 3. 3 seconds violation. Score 8-2 in favor of Tagaytay. Number 8, pass to number 2. Pass to number 28. Ilahos. Shot clock dead. 9, 8, 7, 6. No good. Jump on. Bola sa Tagaytay. Number 14, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 3. 3 points, number 3. Score 11-2 in favor of Tagaytay. 6. No good. Number 3, Gilahos. No good. Rebound number 3. 2 points, number 3. Number 28, dribbling the ball, pass to number 8. No good. Out of bounds, bola sa Bayabas. Shot clock 14. 2 points, number 22. Oras, 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Score, 13-4 in favor of Tagaytay. Steal, number 27. Steal by Kiki. 2 points, number 3. Number 28, dribbling the ball. Nangitag ka basahan. Shot lang 15. 10, 9, 8, 7. Steal by Kiki. Pass to number 3. Good for 2 points, number 3. Score, 17-4 in favor of Tagaytay. Oras, 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Steal by number 3. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 27. No good. Rebound by number 2. Foul.
Foul
First
again.
personal foul. First team foul. Number 2. Pass to number 8. No good. Rebound. Foul. First personal foul, second team foul, Tagaytay. Number 22, no good, rebound by number 10. First personal foul, third team foul, Tagaytay. 2 points, number 28. 4 minutes and 9 seconds remaining time. Score, 17-6 in favor of Tagaytay. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 27. In the host, no good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8, Nagpailo. The pass is number 2. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 14. Number 14, dribble the ball. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 9. Out of bounds, mula sa Bayabas. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Number 28, Nagpailo. Pass to number 8. Good for 2 points, number 8. Score, 17-8 in favor of Tagaytay. Shot clock 15. 10, 9. No good. Rebound by number 14. 10, 9. 8, 7, 3 points, number 3. Score, 28 in favor of Tagaytay. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. 2 points, number 17. Number 8. Number 8, dribbling the ball, pass to number 28. Number 28. No good, rebound Haponia. 2 minutes remaining time. Out of bounds, mula sa Bayabas. Score, 22-10 in favor of Tagaytay. Steal by number 3. 30. Nice, 2 points, number 3. 24-10 in favor of Tagaytay. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining time. No good, rebound by number 9. Number 9, ako na lang. 2 points, number 9. Score 26-10. Favor of Tagaytay. Last 1 minute. 2 points, number 8. 55. 50. Shot na 15. 3 points, number 3. 40. 35. 30. 25. 20.
Headshot, Paul, headshot.
19 seconds remaining time. Fifteen. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. End of the first quarter.
Game boy. Masukot. Ni Arihola, number 13. Yung pra, shot clock there. Down to 5. Very good. Rebound ni Kenneth. Kenneth, igo sa tingin ni pra na ni Kinyo, number 2. Tapia, side step. 2 points. Tapia. 31-16. Mahali Kimboy. One speed move by Kimboy. Pass to 3 points. JDB. 19. 31. Invite day. Ni Francis. Shot na 15. Ni Limos Nero. Pass to Tapia. Down to 10. Down to 5. No good. Rebound ni Jopet. Ni Porio. Porio. Ipasa ni Ibib. To Jopet. Easy 2 points. Jopet. 21. 31. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Shot clock 15. Francis dribbling the ball. Itapusahan. Ipasa ni Tapia. Down to 10. J-Mark. Ipasa ni... No good. Down to 5. Foul number 15. First foul, Kimboy. 1 point, Topdel. Last row, 1 point again, 33-21. Kimboy, Faye, ipasa ni Porio. Porio, takbo kay Lawas. 2 points. James Porio. Krak ni Lukban, no good. Rebound ni Ibig. Stay by Topdel. Block by Ibig.
Pila?
Topdel yapon, wala.
Awan ka dito?
Jump ball, same ball. Possession. Mula sa Tagaytay. Ni Tapia. Jump shot, no good. Air ball. Kuha ni Kenneth ng bola. Steal by Prak to Tapia. 2 points. Tapia. Ni Kimboy. Kimboy to Ibib. Back to Kimboy again. Kimboy ni Faye. Shot na 15. Steal by Limosnero to Tapia. 2 points. Tapia. Nani Kimpoy. Kimpoy to Ibib. Ibib, shot to 15. Still ni Tokdel. Pass to Limosnero. Ibalik. Foul! Ivan. Second personal foul, second team foul. One point. Last row rebound. Ani Jopet. Jump ball, bola sa Payabas. Ibib. Nani J-Mart, pass to Tapia, shot of 15, back to J-Mart, J-Mart in fake, Nani Tokdel, Tokdel 2 points, Tokdel, ino-up na ito ay. Last 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Nani Kimpoy, Kimpoy point guard, Ibib, Itza, no good, Rivali, Francis. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Francis, no good. Kalmaniya, Yapon. The fake pass to J-Mart, down to 15. J-Mart, the fake to Francis out of bounds. Pula sa Payabas. Score 39-26. Nani Kimpoy, pass to Jopet. Jopet no good. Rebounding Kenneth. Kenneth gamit tayo. Foul. Foul number 10. Nani Kimpoy no good. Rebounding Krapra pass to Tapia. Tapia 2 points. Tapia 41-26. Nani Kimpoy. Kimpoy, pass to Borjo. No good. Rebounding Francis. To J-Mart. J-Mart ipasa ni Limosnero. Jump shot, 2 points. Limosnero. Nani Jopet. Foul number 11. No good. Same ball. Bola sa Payabas. Jopet. Nani Kimpoy. Ni spin. Ni fake. Jump. Wadi. Julio. Jump shot. No good. Rebounding Kimpoy. No good. Nani Jopet. Gihapon. Nani Julio. Basket count. Foul J-Mart. Agitsa. 11. Third personal foul. Two points. Borio. Grabe. Ay, sa different. Nani Tapia. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. 15 seconds jump clock. J-Mart ipasa ni Krapra 2 points. Francis 45-30 in favor of Tagaytap. Nani Pador to Kenneth, no good. Nani J-Mart still ni Jopet block by Krapra. Nani Tokdel, pass to Kadampog. 2 points. Kadampog. Ibib, pass to Kimpoy. Kimpoy, jump shot. No good. Wala gihapon rebound ni Kenneth. Kenneth, they fake. Pass to Ibib. Ibib, it's up. No good. And top din. Top din. Pass to Kadapol to Tapia. 2 points, Tapia. 49-30. Jump it. 15 sa out. 2 points. Kadapol. Timeout! Bayabas.
Ang score 31-50. Labawan Tagaytap versus Bayabas.
Nani Pador. Pador, pass to Louie. Louie. Nani Brian. Kobe eh. Nani Tapia. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Blocked by Kenneth. Rivali, Louie. Louie, pass to Pador. Nani Buenadora. Foul. Francis. Timeout. Tagaytap. Nani Kenneth. This spin. Ni fade away. No good. Ivan top din. Top din. Pass to Tapia. Tapia. 2 points. Tapia. Nani Ibib. Ibib. Uy, pag-ingay. Hinay. Foul. Ibib. 53-33. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Francis down to 15. Nani Louie. 2 points. Louie. Nani Jayward. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pass to Tapia, down to 15. Nani Pador. Steal by Pador. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Pador, good job. 2 points. Pador, 37-53. Last 1 minute of the second quarter. Tatlo 15. Nani Kenneth. Nani Ibib. No good. 2 points. Ibib. $39.53. 14 na lang. Gamay na lang. 33 seconds.
3.
Shot clock 10. 25. Down to 5. Basket count. Foul Louie. Warning for penalty. First row.
Bonus throw.
Bonus na. Rebound by Louie. Pass to Pador. 15. No good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the second quarter score 39-55. Nani. Wala! Purio, 2 points. Purio. Score 55. 41-55. 14. Iber, pasa yang pemain Nani, Burn! 2 points! Kobe, 41-55. Dusi na lang. Jopet, 2 points! Jopet, napo na lang. Napo na lang. 45-55, shot clock 15. Nani Jopet. Last 9 minutes. No good. Iba ni Kiki. Wala. Nani. Upao, Ibay, pass to Buro. No good. Kiki, 2 points. 57-45. Nani Ibay, shot clock 15. So, Jopet, foul. Foul, Kiki. Foul si Kiki. Nani Bunsoy, Logan, rebound, still in bid. Number 2 si Ipip. Pass ni Jopet, Jopet ni Speed, ni Itza, Logan, rebound ni Puryo, dako kayong tao, rebound ni Ipip, Tigor. Ipip, pass to Upaw, ni Fake, pass to Miles, Bulang sa Bayang o Tagaytay. Shot clock 14. Still Bunsoy, Bunsoy Kityo. Pass to Eber. Tiguwag eh. Ni Jopet. Jopet, behind the back. Still ni Borong. Borong, 2 points. Wala. Rebound ni Eber. Still balik ni Borong. Pass to 2 points. Wala. Hiyapon ko yung wala. 2 points. Upaw. 59-45. 14. You good? Rebound ni Brian. Block by Eden. Uy! 7 minutes. Nani Iber, crossover. Substitution. Bayabas. Six minutes and 50 seconds. Nani Jopet. Jopet, pass to Louis, 2 points. Louis. Shout out, Divine Adili. Saan ba? Divine. Nani Giselle. Shot clock 10. Block. 9-second shot clock. Upaw, down to 5. 3 points. Kiki. 62-47. Shot clock 15. Oh, warning for technical for clapping. Iber, pass to Pau, down to 10. Good, rebounding. Nani Iber, bola. Rebound ni Iber, pass to James Perlani. Guilty, 2 points. Kicking. 64-50. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Iber, pass to Upaw. Upaw, no good. Substitution, Bayabas. One point. Rivali, Kenneth, pass to Pandor. Last 5 minutes of the third quarter. Ni Kenneth, traveling violation. Ni Colas, Shaka 15, Colas, 2 points, Colas. 67-50. Ni Pador. Pador pass to Poryo. Poryo jump shot. No good. Kick point. Ni Upaw. 2 points, Upaw. Time out. Bayabas. One time out, Bayabas.
The score is 67
dapat na isa.
50.
Ni Jopet. Jopet pass to Kim Point. Kim Point, back to Jopet still. Uy. Bata pa to, kuha to. Ni Bake. Bake ito. Poryo, halay, liso-liso eh. Kiki. Out of bounds. Bola sa Bayabas. Burong pass to Colas. Colas to Iber. 3 points. 3 points. Tatay. Ani Ivan. Poryo ni Bakat. No good. Prima ni Burong. Pass to Keke. No good. Prima ni Colas. Colas to Upaw. No good. Prima ni Iber. Colas ni fake. Blocked by Poryo. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Jopet. Steal by Burong. 2 points. 74-52. A foul. Colas. Substitution. Bayabas. Ni Ivan, pass to Poryo. Rivali Burong. Burong pass to Upaw. Upaw layup. 2 points. Upaw. Good. Rivali Kenneth, no good. Rivali Iber. Iber to Colas. Back to Iber. Iber to Upaw. Shot clock 15. Still 2 points, Ibib. Shot clock 15. Nani Ibib. Back to Algen. Algen 3 points. Algen. Steal by Iber. No good. Rivali Upaw. Gihapon 2 points. Upaw. Okay, pagkukuhan eh. 81-54. Pau Yapon, 2 points. Upau. Ibib, 1 minute and 15 seconds. Ibib. Nani game point located. Shot clock 10, 2 points for you. Last 1 minute of the third quarter. Shot clock 15. Down to 10. 2 points. Tigawang at half the night. 56-85. 2 points Alden. Nani Koryo. Stay ni Polnas. Polnas go Alden. 2 points Alden. 20 seconds. Nani Jobet. Jobet layup 2 points. Jobet 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the third quarter. Score 58-89. Pador, no good. Rebounding Kenneth. Nani Louie. Louie pass to Pador. 3 points, no good. Rebounding Francis. Kick to Pau. To Bolas. Pass to Tapia. Tapia to Pra. 2 point. Wala. Rebounding Kenneth. No good. Nani Upau. Upau, side step.
Tiros.
Timeout, Tagayta. Nani Pador. Silvero. Grabe. Kawatan ng Roma. 2 points. Alden. Grabe Roma. Nani Lemosnero. Take with J-Mark. Down to 15. Nani Kanapo. To Tapia. Tapia naging hangin. Nagpatang down to 10. Nani Brian. Brian. Nani Tapia. Down to 15. Wala. Nani Kadampot, effect. Block by Kenneth. Bola sa Tagayta. Substitution. Still may Pador. Pador. Kuha ni Topdel. Topdel. Foul. Substitution. Tagayta. First personal foul, first foul. Top din, 1 point. 1 point. Tagla. Ni Ibib. Ibib. O Kenneth. Kenneth Pastor Ibib. Kuha ni Limostero the J-Mark. Block by Joven. Joven. Rebound ni J-Mark. J-Mark. Pass ni Kapya. Joven. Rebound ni Bonsai. So Joven. Joven. Real good. Basket down. It's about second personal foul, first foul, Magic Bulldog. Nani J-Mark, pass to Tapia. Tapia, 2 points, Tapia. Opador, 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Bonsai Nogan, Toporia wala, Giyapon, rebound ni J-Mark. J-Mark Magic Bulldog. Same ball, oras 7 minutes and 2 seconds. Score 94-60. Kadampo to Nogan, block by Joven. Substitution. Shot clock 13. Now down to 10. Still Joven to Padman. In point, para Kobe, pass to Joven. Joven to Corio, 2 points. Corio, 62-94, 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Still by Ibig. To Banban. Banban mo jam. Pass to Corio. Corio 2 points. Wala. Rebound ni Limosnero. Limosnero pass to J-Mark. J-Mark. 2 points. J-Mark. Magic Bulldog.
It's good.
Nani Limosnero. Shot active. Nani Ibig. Itza. No good. Rebound ni Top din. O bola sa Tagaytap. Still Joven. Limosnero. Pass to J-Mark. J-Mark on the side step. Pass to Limosnero. Block by Kenneth. Nani Limosnero, 3 points. Limosnero. So Ibig. No good. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. No good. Shot clock 15 to J-Mark. No good. Rebound ni Limosnero. Down to, back to 14. Down to 10. Tapia di Bay. No good. Rebound ni Kenneth. Kenneth, pass to Ibig. Out to bounds. Minusot. Score 99-62. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Shot clock 15. James Mark, steal by Kim Poy. Kim Poy, Kim Poy, Kim Poy, 2 points! Kim Poy! Three minutes and 10 seconds. Grabe Kim Poy eh. Substitution. Jobet, no good. Wala. Louie Gap. Louie Ligbay. Steal by J-Mark. Tali Topdale. Topdale. Ako na lang. 2 points. Topdale. 101. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Jobet, layup. No good. Rivali Purio. Purio 2 points. 66. 101. Prepare next game, Tabok versus Intusan. Topdale, block by Louie, na Jamer down to 10. Okay, rebounding Kim Poy, pass to Mario. Mario 2 points. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Grabe point guard eh. Kim Poy, steal by Kim Poy. Kim Poy. Kim Poy pass by Agaw. 2 points. Agaw. J-Mark, 1 minute and 50 seconds, shot clock 15. Tapia. Joy. Field. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Timeout by Yagas. Oh, sahab ka rin. Sorry. Substitution. Nani Rimos Zero. Joven. Nani Louie. Louie. Passing Dino. Joven. Nani Brian 2 points. Brian. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Nani Tapia 3, Joven. Rebounding Joven. Nani Louie. Last 1 minute. Continue. Pass to Louie. Nani Brian fake. Joven. Rebounding lang. Yapon 45 seconds. Nani Brian. Step back. Walang Yuri. 3 points. Colby Portadura. 30 seconds. Magic ball up, no good. Rebounding Kim Poy. Points and Chris. Kim Poy. No good. Rebounding Brian. Brian pass up. Kim Poy. Wow, you have one. 12 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
End of the
Congratulations, City of Tagaytay. Score 101-75. Warm up, tabok and Intusan.